Diyan yung paglabas.
Sa may, sa may gutter, sa may, may sidewalk.
Hindi yung bago ka interview ni Tony Gonzaga, pahat ka naman.
Ang pag
i-text ko na lang.
Oo, i-text ko na talaga.
Black with lights.
Iinom ako nakastraw. Para mas malakas. Ay, nakatambahan.
And I can taste the beer.
Paglabas mo, wala ka ng ibang bagay pa na hindi mo kayang gawin, no? Kasi dito, ang dami mo nang napatunayan.
Wow! Tapos yan,
kaya mo palang sumayaw,
kaya mo palang kumanta, kaya mo palang
pwede ka palang kumanta, ibang tone, ibang ano lang.
Wakeboarding.
Hindi lang natin mayaw.
Hindi lang natin mayaw. Mga bababa.
Sabi nga ni Kuya Tin, using 1 octave higher than divine... Ha? 1 octave?
Kami rin.
Hindi ba tingin natin tatlo, ha?
Sing the same note, but
nung
sing
kumanta tayong tatlo sa tayong Pasko,
so that you don't strain your voice.
sabi niya, Joya, taasan mo yung volume mo. Divine, you sing with Joya. Tapos, you sing 1 octave higher. Ho? Ano ibig mo sabihin, Kuya? Sorry.
Can you share? What is it?
Okay, you're going crazy. Kuya, it's like,
tell me more, Divine. Tell me more.
Divine.
Is there anything you want to share?
Gusto ko na umuwi.
Kasi, di ba? Pagkatapos.
Gusto magbigay.
Ay, nakumuna na ako. Sabay na tayo.
Siguro kung open pa ang third door.
Oo. Siguro tumakbo na tayong lahat.
Diba?
Doorbell.
Okay yun, pag isa, di ba, dalawa, tatlo, tapos nagsisamahan, may magagawa, ano ba?
Feeling ko kung may isang tumayo nun. Oo. So, sama-sama.
Feeling ko rin.
Kung may isang tumayo nun, may sumama.
Oo.
Barangay Damayan.
Grabing kwento yun, maglaan.
Sobra. Yun din yung medyo kinakabahan din ako eh, kasi pag may isang umano dito.
If one person started it,
I don't know.
few might fall.
Yeah, of course.
I don't know.
Yeah. And if you see 3 na,
Depende
going
siguro
out,
kung super fresh.
That was Kuya trying to say na make sure your
I
decisions.
can't talk. I don't know.
Okay.
meditate.
Pero kung may UX talaga.
Dito ka, Tin.
It's more story.
Inaaway ka.
Kung may nag-BE talaga
Sino
no.
nag-aaway sa'yo?
Siguro kung may isa, may dumagdag pang dalawa.
Oo, mga tatlo. Or kahit isa na lang. Tapos itong isa to super powerful or super influential na makakasama yung isa.
Oo. Tapos close din ko. Ko sumama na din.
Ayokong... ayoko na.
Konti na lang natitira. Tapos mga pa...
Alis na lang din.
Oo, alis na lang din.
Sumata ka gusto.
Okay.
Oo, okay na.
Maybe it's just a test.
Tapos biglang may Big 4 na agad. Dahil lang na yun. May Big 4 na agad. Sorry.
Test if you can live with people, test if you can handle it, test if you can push yourself harder.
How you get along with people.
Mangakain ka na sa first. Harap. Marvin may ari nun.
Sabi ko nga kay Kuya before.
Ano na?
Hindi, bawal yata yung sabi.
Kuya, bumalik ka na nga, please.
Kuya, pwede mo kami padalhan lang ng ng diary, then we write everything right now. Tapos ipass namin sa'yo, bahala ka, nasunugin mo na. Kailangan lang namin isulat.
Because what we're feeling now, we're probably not gonna ever feel again after, like this intense.
Gusto ko na siyang isulat na...
Ito?
My
Journal?
best,
sending a letter to yourself. Salty lang.
Emotional. And my lyrics.
Pabasa ko lang kay
really good
Kuya.
when I'm
Control, you can control. Sabi nga,
Actually, isang word lang from Kuya. Parang nagkakaano ka na eh. Peaceful ka na.
It's either it makes you peaceful or housemate. Nang matulog.
Matulog?
Maganda ng matulog.
Oh,
Get ready for
maghanda.
bed.
I
Wow.
want to sleep, yeah.
That's early.
I'm just joking, guys.
It's early.
How can we sleep ng ganito?
Siya, sige nga.
O, siya, sige.
Siya, sige.
Okay, kuya. Ay, kulokoy.
Kuya, balik ka na, please.
Oh.
Kuya.
Kailangan namin ng
Anong kailangan
word from you.
We need kuya!
Please keep us sane.
Guys, dito muna tayo. Konting ano lang.
Oo.
Words of ano lang. What do you think?
You keep me sane, Kuya. Please
Oo.
come back.
With what's
Before we
happening...
sleep lang.
With what's happening sa takbo ng houses and with what's going to happen sa life natin lahat dito. Parang
I think he'll come
be strong
back
for each
next-
other, no? Diba?
Oo.
I don't think it's shuffling. Yun lang masasabi ko.
Oo, hindi
I
talaga.
don't think so either.
Bahala, yun din.
Because the
Hindi siya
fans...
shuffling.
Kasi yung sinabi niya, sobrang simple.
Oo.
Sobrang simple.
No,
Huwag
but
nating
the fans
complicate.
outside, if they have people that are in high voltage, they like high voltage. And then we shuffle.
It
There's
gets
no-
confusing and there's no point to winning the previous task.
Oh.
I mean, like, we have Bigel to
Kaya nga eh.
race pa.
Oo.
Diba? With
Kumbaga may
what's happening
ma-unfinished,
to him
may
right
ma-unfinished
now.
ano ka pa?
I mean, he needs, we want to be there for him. Tapos i-reshuffle yung bahay natin.
It's not...
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. I mean, let's say, if Bigel goes to the other, he'll start from bottom again.
Parang pag nawala siya, parang are you gonna compete pa for...
It's not na walang deserving sa iba.
Oo, pero...
If you deserve it.
No, let's say, because we know na who we want to have. Parang ganun eh. So, if for example, he leaves us, I mean, like, what, ano na mangyayari sa kanya? Parang, para saan pa itong paghihirap?
Kasi Joya, if it's intensity 7, bawat intensity may pangalan yan eh. If it's 7, parang destructive ang ano yan eh. Destructive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, parang gano'n yan eh.
Or it could just be the...
And he was super pressing that question kanina to Asif. Parang, di ba, yung una yung tanong was, kamusta? Yung floor direct or tapos you were answering pa about our personal distractions there. Tapos, gano'n. Yun eh, squeeze.
Yun na yun eh. Yun na yun eh. Nagbibigay siya ng clues na eto na yun ito yung mangyayari ganito. Obviously. Hindi talaga siya, it's not shuffling, don't worry.
Yeah, it's not shuffling.
No, but
Basta,
it's still destructive.
At the end, kung ano mangyari, let's just be alert and then, we're still gonna be okay.
At saka side by side naman tayo.
Of course. Whatever we do, it's okay.
Uh-uh.
But it's just gonna make us uncomfortable.
Yeah.
For a while lang, tapos we'll get the
Get
hang
used
of
to
it.
it. It's always... It's never...
And, I mean, like, naging posible nga yung diba? Yung, posible nga yung, tawag doon? Anong tawag doon?
Saan? Sa?
Yung sa looban, anong nangyari doon?
Demolition.
Oo.
I mean, nothing is impossible na when it comes to infrastructures, parang ganun.
Kasi,
We don't know talaga. A third house might come out.
Yeah.
Hindi natin alam.
The big activity area could be one huge house.
Yeah. We don't know.
pwede.
Pwede.
The 2 floors.
Kasi,
If possible. 1 floor.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Pretty go. Pero I think it's... Yeah. It won't be done in a bad taste, considering January 1, Japan. Diba, it won't be done in a bad taste. It would have something. There's something behind it.
Oo.
tama kasi sobra na ngayon nangyayari. May mga lindol na nga sa labas. Pati, tas may mga lindol, bagyo sa labas. Tas ganun pa rin ang gagawin nila dito sa bahay.
Ano pa yung conclusion?
Basta hindi tayong maghihiwalay.
Oo.
Hiwa-hiwalay dito.
About the ano lang.
The bahay.
This.
Where we live.
That's why I was telling you.
Kasi parang nilabas nila na lindol eh. So,
Tsaka ang dami niyang clues na binigay kanina na pointing out yun lang. Ito talaga.
The event lang. The catastrophe.
Dami niyang inaano eh.
Not unless, ano lang yun. Figure of speech.
no.
No.
Hindi
Hindi
eh. Alam mo naman eh.
Literal eh.
nagbigay
Natanong
sila,
kanina eh.
oo.
Literal na tanong eh.
Ilang beses
We
na
might
pinoint
be
out eh.
living in the same household.
Pwede.
I think it's possible, actually.
Yeah. So our weekly task is... Pero ang weird eh, if we have the same weekly task. And then... Pero mas may tension pag we live in the same. Because we have to cooperate with them.
We cooperate with
Tama
them.
yan.
We cannot
And
talk. We
complete
cannot
them at the same time.
At saka we cannot talk
And we don't
openly.
really-
But then they have to strategize on our
Like
own.
here.
Oo.
Tapos parang nagkakakitaan.
Lumit ang space. Liliit ang space
Liliit ang
natin.
space.
And it might be a small
May
house.
friction
No,
talaga.
the mansion. Everyone lives in the mansion.
At mas
1
mag-arrange.
bedroom per team. Kasha eh.
I don't think so.
Kasha. Sobrang kasha.
Hindi, kasi yung isa mas maliit, yung isa mas malaki.
Sa bedroom.
Yeah, then we'll have the guys' room.
We always have the guys' room.
Oo, doon tayo nagme-meeting.
I'm okay with it. But kahit...
Or, pareho, pwede guys and girls pa rin, separated. So parang, yung team mo,
Huwag paghiwalay ng team.
sa contra battle lang yun.
Oh,
Pero ang
that'd be
weird, it's you
crazy.
celebrate in front of them and you lose in front
Yeah.
of them.
Oo.
Oof.
I'd rather...
That would be crazy. No, but they could.
Oo.
Oh, may naging.
Parang...
Yeah, that's
we won. Parang, boy.
And then other members are
But
parang,
then if you said
Yung mag-i-air
Kuya
down.
doesn't like conflict, then he
nakihirap,
wouldn't.
di ba? Parang,
Yun,
Or his new house, 1 floor is us, 1 floor is them. We eat meals together.
di paano yun, di ba?
Patay tayo! Patay tayo! Patay tayo! Ano tayo eh?
But it's really complicated pag dalawang, pag yung weekly task, pareho kayo lahat. Pero yung,
It has to be always competition pag ganun, di ba? Unlike different weekly tasks, like this one now, we just have to be doing parts of the weekly task. Sila din, parts din. Pero pag the same na, parang...
Tsaka sobrang mag-iingat sila sa galaw nila. As in, baka task yan, baka ganito.
Tayo din.
Baka mapanalo.